Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to transfer money using the BNZ Mobile App. First, open the mobile app and log in securely. Then, from the main dashboard, tap on the Payments or Transfer. Select the account you want to send money from. Enter the recipient's account number. If there is a new recipient, you may need to add them first. Then enter the amount you want to transfer and add a reference if needed. Review all the details carefully to avoid mistakes. Then confirm the transfer. You may need to enter a security code or use biometric login confirmation. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message and the transaction will appear in your history. That's how to transfer money using the BNZ mobile app correctly and safely. Subscribe